A very good evening everyone from Phnom Penh here, the capital of Cambodia. Tonight we're going to be taking a wander down to the Phnom Penh night market, have a wee wander around and hopefully get some good food. I imagine we will. I am in the Royal Palace Hotel, 5-star hotel, £25 for 2 nights each, so £50 for 2 nights. I think that's fucking incredible for a 5-star, excuse my language. Here is the infinity pool up top with a lovely view of Phnom Penh city, and you won't be able to see it as it is dark, but in the background there we have the Mekong River, and this is the other side of the pool. Anyway, enough of that, and we will head down and make our way towards the market. Let's go. And we are out and about on the streets. Oh man, it's so hot. Whew. Listen to this one, what a fanny. So, went to get the GoPro out earlier on, and went to switch it on. No SD card. Where's the SD card? The SD card is in Glasgow. What use is that to end day? None at all. So I managed to get one in Grab, managed to get it delivered, and I couldn't find any good ones. So Samsung, I thought Samsung, right, that'll do. 40-minute drive the guy took to deliver it, and I put it in. Update your SD cards. The quality will not work or whatever it said. So I can only apologise if the quality is not the greatest. I will get it sorted if it's shit. If it's shit, I'll need to find a new one, obviously. But bear with me for this video anyway. Right, I need some cash. First things first, cash. 2 seconds. So you can pay in US dollars in Cambodia and the local currency, which is, I can't remember the name of it. I'm going to go for the local. Holy shit, it's a greenhouse in here. Yeah, so as I was saying, you can pay in US dollars and the local currency. So you can pay in US, but you get change given back in fucking, what's it called? Real something? I should know this, hold on a second. Because I'm on camera, I can't think. Real, so I was close enough. So you can pay in US dollar and get real back, so that's confusing. So I'm avoiding that, because they'd see me coming a mile away, I'd be getting ripped off right, left and centre. Not that the Cambodian people are dishonest, but I'm sure I'd find one with my luck. Oh, there's a strip club. Video's over. Nah, I'm only joking. Must be getting pretty close. It is getting quite lively in the streets, getting more busier than from where we left. So we've arrived. Pretty quiet actually. I was expecting it to be busier, but it's still quite early, I suppose. So we've got the wee market here, lots of clothes and stuff, so we'll have a wee look around. There's a food place, we'll get some food, and as you've seen, the streets were pretty busy, so we'll take a walk through the streets, lots of stuff going on as well. So let's go see what we can find. Quite like these Cambodian, that's obviously a weighing size. That'll fit me. Might grab one of them, but we'll keep looking around for now. Top, shorts, I'll get a full kit. Oh, what's that? I don't know who that is. Right, we'll continue having a look. Very female orientated, so if you're a woman, yeah, you'll not be stuck. Tell you that. Clearly that top she's looking at, but I'll move on. Get that for the beach. Oh, sorry. Just shoulder barged away. She's not shouting at me. Tell you what, that food smells delicious. Don't know what to get, but we'll find something nice. Oh, coconuts. I love coconuts. Not had one yet. Hello. Thank you. I'll come back. I'll have a wee look around and then come back. Thank you. Have a wee look first. Belly can wait. I'm gonna need to sit on the deck. I don't know if my knees can handle that. Could look so. Oh. Oh yes, that'd be nice. Thank you. Yes, it's very hard. Oh. Right. I know. Right, here we go. Menu. What to get? Cambodian noodle with barbecue, maybe?
We have this one, the local food like this, lok lok.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is a rice noodle.
Okay.
And one more like this, very good. Cambodian noodle.
Okay,
with the
I
barbecue.
think I will have this one, please.
Yes.
Thank you.
And you?
I'll go for that Cambodian, what was it? My memory is shocking, man, that's terrible, I've just read it. Cambodian noodle with barbecue. So here we go, Cambodian noodle with barbecue. Keep forgetting the name, but we'll try it. This looks incredible. Local dish apparently, recommended, and let's go for it. That was really good. The chicken's perfect, nice and crunchy, and the noodles, there's that sweet taste of the noodles, sour almost, like it's maybe got lime through it, I'm not too sure, but it is really tasty. That was really good actually, so I'm going to enjoy this and we'll get back on the move. So cheers guys. I'm saying the chicken's crunchy, but I'm looking at it, I'm not entirely sure that it's chicken, but I'm not caring because it is lovely. Really, really good. I don't know. Is that chicken? No, that one's not. No, that's sweet. I don't know what that is. Fuck it. It's good. Struggling sitting on the deck, but I like that. Well, I'll tell you one thing, that was absolutely incredible. I thoroughly enjoyed that. And I'll put the price up on the screen. It wasn't very much. That was so good. I can't remember what it was called. My memory is shocking. I've just read it and I've said it twice. I still can't remember it. I've got a sneaking suspicion that it said pork on the menu, and there's me trying to debate if it's chicken or not. But you'll see back yourself on video. But we'll continue our exploration. Lots of bags and stuff, clothes, shoes, hats, etc. What do you think? You think that'd suit them? Pandas?
Mới bây giờ dịp hơi xe tới.
Aye, so it's a cool wee place. There's not really much that appeals to myself, but I suppose it's interesting to show what's here. But as it says, not much for myself. Some watches. So that was night market. Pretty cool wee place. Food was incredible. I 100% recommend if you're in Phnom Penh going and having some food at the night market. Brilliant, really good, and it's filled me up nicely. So I'm going to carry on, go for a wee wander about, see what else we can come across. So this is the Mekong River, one of Asia's largest rivers, over 4,000 kilometres long. It goes through the likes of China, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia. Pretty famous river. I'm sure a lot of you will have heard of it. Pretty lively up this way, so let's take a wander up. Lots of street sellers selling various foods and pussycat bar. Possibly women, I'm not sure, maybe men. And so this is the red light district by the looks of it. I think we've taken a walk down. Lots of females sitting outside with short outfits on, I should say. I don't know if you're allowed to film this, to be honest, but fuck it. And I just get them everywhere, don't you? Might jump in for one actually. It is caked with women just sitting outside. Whether they're escorts or not, I'm not sure. Well, there will be. Aye, definitely took a wrong turn down here. Oh man, definitely was a mistake, promise you. What is the odds of walking down that street there, and it's the red light district? Of all the streets in Phnom Penh, to take a turn down. Oh man. Anyway, we'll carry on. That's funny. It's very lively. I suppose it is Friday night, I'm forgetting. The general there. I think he's been doing that street. He lost a toe there. Chaos. Absolute chaos. I love it. Some buzz, just walking about exploring a new place. Durian there, that is a fruit which you get in Asia. It's one of the smelliest fruits in the world. I've tried it in Thailand and it was disgusting. I nearly waited. It's banned in a lot of hotel rooms and stuff because of the smell. It's disgusting. Really not nice. There's some fresh produce out on sale. You see a lot of meat sitting out like this as well. Now I wouldn't fancy eating the meat sitting out like that. Obviously my stomach's wouldn't be used to that. That'd probably finish me off, to be honest with you. Not for me, but I suppose the local people will be used to stuff like that. That would probably leave me quite ill. I've seen a lot of people online saying that Phnom Penh is dangerous. I don't feel that way. It's rough and raw, which I like about it. So I think if you were, for example, you walk down here, it is rough, it is. I think if you were coming to Asia for the first time and you came here straight away, you would probably freak out a wee bit, I would say, but it's not bad. So far I found, obviously everyone's experience is different, but personally I found it okay so far. As I said, it is rough and raw, but that's good character. So yeah, I'm enjoying Phnom Penh so far. Some Pakistani cuisine, some pizza, Lahore Punjab pizza. Sounds good. Pakistani food actually looks really good. Not something I've had a lot of, but we'll leave the Pakistan food until I go to Pakistan one day. And we have made it down to the Royal Palace of Cambodia. This was built in 1866 and it has been residence to the monarch of Cambodia ever since then. You can go in for a tour, there's public access, but there's also restricted areas, obviously, as currently still is the residence of the monarch. I think it's a good place to finish up tonight's wee video. So I hope you've enjoyed a wee walk around some interesting streets, we shall say, in Phnom Penh, some chaotic streets and a nice wee night market with some good grub, which you can't beat. So hope everyone has enjoyed and I shall see you in the next one. Cheers guys.